Hello viewers, see this one, Karachi, Pakistan. Nice people. Pakistan, Karachi.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
This guy.
Karachi, Pakistan. Good afternoon. Today I just come here in Karachi, seaside, sea view. It's very nice. So many people here is enjoy always here. And this is the Karachi seaside view. All Karachi. Yes, viewers, is very nice place in Karachi. So many people here. Almost family and bachelor, all mixed here. Karachi, Pakistan, seaside, sea view. And some people is traveling with camel. Yes, viewers, 200 if you are going to with oars anywhere in the sea view, seaside. So 200 per person. 200, right? Yeah, he is working here. He said 200 Pakistani rupee per person, right? Yes, this is for horse. Horse traveling. Yeah, viewers. Yes, viewers. This is Karachi, Pakistan. Seaside is nice place and beautiful. So many family here right now, and otherwise is like seaside. Many families. Camel. 200 Pakistani rupees if you want to sit down in the camel, and you no need to walk. You can go little far that area and come back, return again to that area. That side, sorry. Then come back here, finish your travel. 200 Pakistani rupees only. You see, horse also same, 200 rupees Pakistani. Just enjoy. Only walk from here. This horse walk from here until end. Then finish, return to back here, then drop to here, finish your traveling, 200 rupees Pakistani, just 200 rupees only. It's nothing. Pakistani 200 rupees, nothing. I think in other country is just 20s or 10 rupee, 10, maybe $1, I think. $1 USA is 250 rupees Pakistan, or 300, sorry, like that. So not expensive, just enjoy. Horse and with camel. You see the camel? Some people sitting or no? Still not yet. But here some children sitting, 200 rupees Pakistan. Yes, you see viewers, he doing horse is play or two leg. Okay, thank you very much. जी दोस्तों, यहाँ से जितना आगे जाओगे ना, यूँ समझ लो तुम्हारा मौत भी उतना ही आगे आ जाएगा तुम्हारे पास। यहाँ से अगर चल के जाओगे तो तुम्हारी मौत भी आ जाएगा तुम्हारे करीब। थोड़ा सा मैंने उर्दू लैंग्वेज भी शामिल किया ताकि आप लोग देख सको. Yes, this is Karachi, Pakistan seaside. So many people visit here every day. Just enjoy sea view. And that one is the Karachi port. Karachi cargo port, shipping cargo port. And this area all sea view until end, near in the seaport, Chatti. And so many people here is visiting every day. Almost family. And that one is the Ape Tower, Ape Star in the mall, shopping mall in the Ape Star. So maybe after I will go there is the Ape Star. It's around, it will take about 10 minutes from here walk. And that area is the sea view. Hello, nice people, Pakistan, best people. Okay, thank you. मसाला मारने का है थोड़ा. Seaside, beautiful area in Karachi. Yes, we were so many people, family almost here. We will see what is this cake. How much? How much one piece?
50 के 2 है
50 के 2 से. He is selling cake also 50 rupees, 2 piece, right?
हाँ
Okay. Viewers, you see the camel. This is about 200 rupees Pakistani. You can sit inside, sit down in the camel, and then you can go all around this area, sea view. Very nice place.
Water and cold drink.
And he is selling also water is cold and drink.
Cool and cooler.
Okay, how much this one?
150 rupees.
100 and water 50 rupees, right? Okay, nice to meet you. घोड़ा के साथ बैठेंगे नहीं भाई, मैं थोड़ा इधर ये कर रहा हूँ. This horse 200 rupees Pakistani for one person. You can go anywhere with horse. And he also selling this food. How much, my friend, each piece? This one, how much? One piece. And we were straight food. Sea view, Karachi, inside sea view, straight food. viewers, is a beautiful seaside view, but there is nothing. Just some people, families, and some visitors come here, but still not yet finished for decoration. उस्ताद कोई चंपल मंपल पहनो यार, ये क्या देखो, घोड़े ने चंपल पहना है ना, बूट पहना है घोड़े ने, आपने नहीं पहना?
इधर बिटिया इधर नहीं घूम सकती, चप्पल ले जाओ, चप्पल होते पे नहीं घूम सकती.
He is working here. He is not wear is a slipper, and also ours is wearing the shoes. You see, ours wearing is the shoes, but he not wearing the slipper also. So I am telling about that. Yes, so many people here enjoy in Karachi seaside sea view, beautiful area, and also you can see some family enjoy motorbike, and then too long. This beach is too long. If you walk, I think it's 2 hours, 3 hours is not finished by walk. But if you take the motorbike, maybe 30 minutes or 20 minutes, you reach the corner. And that side is also so many family sitting here. Today Sunday, actually it's a holiday in Pakistan Sunday. So many families visit here in the seaside, sea view. Beautiful area. You can see the rivers, the camel also here, and horse, camels. This beach is too long. And you will see right now here also some family enjoy. Some family for this motorbike only. That motorbike, some family is driving also. It's for rent. I think it's per hour is how much, I don't know. And this area, Karachi, seaside, sea view in Pakistan. So many motorbikes, like I don't know what is the name this one actually. You see, some family enjoy also here. Right now sun going to down. After 30 minutes maybe dark this area. A lot of people here enjoy people. Karachi, Pakistan. Yes, viewers, right now I have to go back because after few minutes is alright evening, night, so that area is almost dark after 30 minutes. You see the sun going to down, after 30 minutes is all dark. So right now I have to go this mall, shopping mall, FA Tower in Karachi, Pakistan. That one is the McDonald's. This is the McDonald's in Karachi, and some people come here sitting, eating this McDonald's, Karachi. That McDonald's from Karachi, and that one is the parking, car parking, near in the seaside, this McDonald's. This is Karachi FS Star Mall, shopping mall in Karachi, Pakistan. And that one, the underground is the parking, and that one is the main entry. This mall, shopping mall, and also have Carrefour. And This is the shopping mall, Cafe Star, in Karachi, Pakistan. And that one is the some shop, coffee shop. Shopping mall in Karachi, Pakistan. It's too big. Actually, I have to go maybe first offside. Beautiful Karachi shopping mall, Cafe Star. So many shops here. And there is a help also McDonald's. Hi my friend, how are you? Fine, he is working here also. And viewers, is very beautiful Karachi shopping mall. It's too long. So there is have so many shops. Actually, it's a very big mall this in Karachi. And that one is big Karachi. So actually, I have to go half there. Too much rush today because Sunday is the holiday, and that one is the more shop people. And this way also going to I don't know where, but this is a very shop is very big, too long. You see, very nice, beautiful. Straight and go to toilet. Yes, Karachi shopping mall, Cafe Star. Very good. I think there is a food court. Maybe on other side. We will see. Maybe that the right side is the food court. Karachi shopping mall. Cafe Star. It's too big, viewers. This mall is very big. But right now I don't know is the food court. I don't know where, which side. Maybe upside more. This is the second floor and this is the third floor. Yes, this area is food court in Cafe Star Mall in Karachi. This area is food court. KFC and many places. So many foods. There is a Subway and shop, China Grill. And that one I don't know what is this. Yes, it's the food court in this mall, shopping mall in Karachi. KFC. And that one is Subway, Green, McDonald's, and that one is the Kilopenia Pizza. This is the shopping mall. So many families here, and that one the ATM machine, and this the shop, perfume shop. Okay, viewers, so we will see Karpur also. Yes, viewers, this is the fish. Selling the fish. This is the Karpur shopping mall. And we will see some cakes, bakeries. And kindly this food is 269 Pakistani rupees one piece. So many foods in Karachi. Cakes. Bakery food available here. Some breads. Yes, viewers, right now I have to go back to my Karachi. Right now finish tour of FS Tower and then going to back to my destination. Yes, viewers, right now I have to go back my home because it's already night. So this video already finished. This is the Karachi. So many people, sorry, and too much busy.